The spider ceiling is an important place in Longshan Temple. It is to make sound louder. To know if it's true, our group did sound tests.
They showed number 1 has louder sound.
You can make a music sound speaker next time. Longshan Temple is full of surprise, isn't it? The spider scene is a famous place in Longshan Temple. It is to make sure we want to know if it is true. We did sound test.
They show number 4 has louder sound. It's easy to make a sound speaker.
Isn't it interesting? Is a special place in Longshan Temple. It is to make sounds louder.
To know if it's true, we didn't sound so certain.
They showed number 8 has louder sound. It's easy to make a sound speaker. Isn't it interesting?